Kitchen designs for small kitchens. Perhaps, one of the places in the house that people want to be most comfortable with, is the kitchen. It is certainly not surprising because the kitchen basically binds the whole family together. After all, it is where sumptuous meals are cooked and prepared. Moreover, the kitchen also serves as a classroom for most housewives, with which they practically learn cooking from. On the other hand, it can also be a place for expressing oneself. This is indeed true since many mouth-watering recipes have been created in someone's personal kitchen. Thus, it is very important for kitchens to be cozy, comfortable, and functional at the same time. Today, there are many kitchen designs to choose from. Kitchens can be classic, Gothic, and contemporary. Although kitchens are traditionally large spaces, modern kitchen designs offer great ideas for small kitchens. These kitchen designs for small kitchens are not only cost-effective, but efficient as well. More than just space, the functionality of this room should be one of the utmost considerations in its design.